Hi, my name is Katrina Peet, and I'm going to show you how I take photos of my artwork. First, I make sure that I'm sitting next to a window with natural light, and then I make sure that I have something white, like this foam board, or a piece of paper to reflect that natural light back onto my artwork. Remember, your artwork will reflect the nearby colors of things that surround it, like wall color or curtains. If I have something too dark or too colorful near my artwork, those colors will reflect onto the art and affect the outcome of the photo. So I try to keep the surrounding area light and white to keep the colors and the artwork accurate. I take several photos at different angles and make sure to have a few photos of my hand holding a brush. It adds a nice personalized touch. Once I have a few photos, I use a free editing app called Snapseed. There are many other free apps out there. This is just one that I am familiar with. Our cameras don't always capture the true colors, so making edits afterward is helpful. I adjust the brightness and color temperature to be neutral until I feel the photo represents what I see in reality.